How to fix Bitmoji on Snapchat. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimal from The Solution Guy. In today's guide video, I will show you the way on how you can actually fix Bitmoji on Snapchat. But before we get started with the video, if you are new to our channel, do make sure to leave a like, hit the subscribe button, and without any further ado, let's get started with today's video. So it really depends upon what you're trying to fix in the first place, whether you're trying to change the Bitmoji avatar or whether you're trying to unlink your Bitmoji or just trying to clear out your Bitmoji. I will just show you all those things, so make sure to watch this video till the end. The very first thing you want to make sure is that you have updated the Snapchat app to the latest version, and you can do this by heading over to your app store, in the search box typing in Snapchat, and go ahead and simply either download or update the Snapchat app. Once you've updated Snapchat, what you want to do is you want to simply go over and then open it up. Next thing you want to make sure is that you are logged into your account. After you are logged in, you can see that this is how the interface is going to look like. Now the very first thing what you have to do is from the very top left corner of the screen, just tap on the Bitmoji avatar card. There you can see that this is currently one of my Bitmoji, and what I will do is on the top right corner I will simply select this gear icon. Again, once I go to the gear icon, you'll see all the settings. Over here you simply want to go ahead and look for Bitmoji, so select Bitmoji. Now the very first thing you want to do is if you want to change the outfit for your Bitmoji, then you could just go ahead and select change outfit, and you could change any of the other outfits of which you would like to choose for your Bitmoji avatar. And other thing you can do is to edit your Bitmoji. So if you want to just edit some of the stuff about your Bitmoji, such as the hairstyle, the glasses, and you want to add some add-ins, you want to change your lips, you want to change the complexions, your eyes, and so on, then you can go ahead and do that and simply tap on the save button on the top right. Or if you're trying to choose a selfie instead of Bitmoji, then you could just go ahead and choose a selfie over here, and now you could go ahead and select the one which you actually wish. You can see multiple types of selfies over here. And last but not the least, if you're trying to unlink your Bitmoji, then you could simply select unlink, and over here you can see it will unlink your Bitmoji from your account, which means that you have to go ahead and just create a new Bitmoji. And hopefully this video answered your question as to how you can fix the Bitmoji on Snapchat. We hope the video was really helpful. If it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any more questions, queries, or doubts, simply also make sure to leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.